You need to grab these books. You need to see the research and the history behind it because they lie.
Yeah, so I mean, I kind of did not all those books necessarily specifically on virology, but I've done a lot of the reading, the accumulation of knowledge part that you're describing there. 10 years or more worth of my own uh spending time in books. Honestly, a lot of time that I've spent in books. 10 years, like I said, I've written a book, written full like 200-page book on solutions that I've come up with based off of the history, economics, philosophy, the texts that we read in school. I've read the source materials that you read about in those books. So that's what distinguishes me from most of the people that you encounter from a university education, is that they read textbooks and I read the source texts of the textbooks. And there's a big difference and a solid division in the sand between people who actually have done the real work of learning the subjects versus the people who got the streamlined cookie cutter version from a university where they get force fed a series of facts from these textbooks, which have been pre digested for them in order for it to be easier for them to learn. And then they get a sense of accomplishment and knowledge from something that is basically completely garbage. And so, what I can tell you right now is this is the product of my self education, basically, is to create forms like this that actually have the impact of being a roadmap to this word right here, sovereignty. And not just the word, but the essence of the word, which is the idea that we're all one in spirit, and that unity is what gives us the power of we the people in and of itself, and that is the true ruling power of any government, of any people. And so when we realize this, what it really amounts to is the truth. You shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. And that the truth that shall set us free is that the deepest part of you is the deepest part of me. And in that unity, we find our sovereignty. Love and appreciate.